everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make poor man's lobster out of a bag of walleyes. Almost everybody that I've shown this to has loved it. So stay tuned and find out how it's done. I went ice fishing last weekend and I got some walleyes, and I thought, hey, I should show you guys how my favorite way to eat walleye is. And it's a super clean and quick process to get food that tastes like it should be a lot more expensive. It's like going to Red Lobster, but you make it in your own kitchen for about a fourth of the price. Let's check it out. So here are the fillets. I got them on a paper napkin to dry them out a little bit. Just a cutting board, a knife. You need some butter to dip it in. Get your plate ready. Some sea salt and a pot of boiling water. So while I'm waiting for the water to boil, I cut my fillets into about an inch and a half little pieces like this. Here's my cooking partner, Harrison. Hey, buddy. Now that my water's coming to a pretty good boil, we're gonna add some sea salt to it. What I do is I just put salt in the boiling water until it's starting to look pretty salty. I don't have like an exact amount to put in. I just kind of put in enough till the water looks like it's getting pretty salty. Stir it down a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit more. And now you just wait for it to come to a hard boil, and we can start adding the fish. Alright, the water's back to a hard boil. Now it's time to add the chunks. So all you do is just drop it in there. Once they're in there, don't stir them, don't mess with them, just wait for them to float to the top. Once they float, then they should be ready to eat. Again, do not stir them. It will like tear them apart, and then you won't get that nice like chunk. So I put the butter in the microwave, melted it, and it looks like these guys are surfacing, and that means they're done. So I like to use one of these like strainer spoons just so you don't get a bunch of water on your plate, and then you just pick them up, drain the water, put them on your plate. And that right there, that's how you make poor man's lobster. Dip it in some butter. That is the best way to eat a walleye. Clean, fresh, super easy, super fast, no grease. Poor man lobster right there. If you like this, please like, subscribe. Comment down below if you try it. Highly recommend it. Only had a couple people tell me they don't. Otherwise, a lot of people do. But I'll see you guys next time.